Hello everyone, another random review. I'm looking for a better tripod for my airsoft chronograph. I like this brand, Ulanzi. I've been using this for pretty much the majority of my model car reviews, and that's been going on for over a year now, so this thing works well. I just had it bolted to a steel plate, and that's how I get a low angle approach on my 1/64 scale reviews. This is aluminum here. I think I bought these separately though, but this quick release ball is very nice, right? But excuse me, air pollution. I have this cheap plastic one here for this Ace Tech chronograph, but the problem is the shooting box I shoot into has a higher height than this. I do have other tripods that are taller, but they're all like these 3-leg plastic things, and so the footprint is just huge the longer and taller it gets. So I finally decided to just try this thing where I can adjust the legs, because it's like an octopus style tripod. So this just came in a bag, a padded bag I got from AliExpress. I have no affiliation with AliExpress, I just like them because they seem to be cheaper than eBay. And I don't have Amazon where I live. Well, I guess I got the one with the remote controlled shutter. I honestly don't remember ordering that. Maybe I did. It's weird that this is kind of taped on the outside. Maybe that was a free gift. It could have been a free gift. So this is the model MT-11, as you can see here. What else is in there? It's a little Ulanzi, like probably a QR. No, it's just qualified. So for an inspection tag or something. Alright, we got a little bag here. Let's get some basic stuff out of the way. By that I mean weight and dimensions. Let's see, let's just tear it out to 0 grams. This thing is 212 grams. Or if you work in this stupid way to measure stuff, it would be 7.48 ounces. Imperial system. It's so dumb. I don't understand why any country is still using the imperial system. Okay, lengthwise in this brand new position, I guess including the screw, because you might have to put that in a case, it's pretty much 25 centimeters. Yeah, or almost 10 inches. Or 9 in some stupid fraction. Okay. Now, actual functionality, yeah, you can have straight legs, and obviously this is what my other tripods are like. It's just too big to get the chronograph next to the box. So what I'm thinking is, you know, I can bend this thing nice and tight, right? So now it has a very small footprint, but it's a lot taller than what I had before. So that's why I think this is a good idea. All right, well, bending it doesn't take much force. I even think if you had arthritis, you'd probably be able to bend this. But it's not particularly easy to bend. So it's not like totally flip-floppy, you know? Like I can't just bend it doing this or knocking it. Right? It's not bending. But if you put a little bit of force in there, you know, it will bend. I don't know if there's like a copper tube in this, copper wire in this thing, or like, I think it looked like it was some sort of braided wire, and that's all covered up in this rubber. So the rubber bottom here, it does have some like dimples in it for traction on a rock or something like that. Let's see what else here. So each one of these little arms is going into a plastic piece here, and that little plastic piece can pivot out maybe 10 degrees or something. And then they're pivoting inside of a plastic base body here. There's a knurled nut insert here, probably the standard thread for a camera. It looks very coarse. There's 3 Phillips holding that together. If for some reason you wanted to open it up, I don't know, maybe. Well, I can't imagine why you'd want to do that, but... And then we have your standard threaded stud here for camera shoes and the like. So let's get this thing off here and screw this in here. So yeah, it's pretty much exactly what I want. Something just a little bit taller so I can shoot into my shooting box, but I can have the chronograph right next to the opening of the shooting box so it doesn't, you know, send bullets all over the place. Now, being an octopus, obviously you can wrap it around a pole or something like that, you know, if you want to mount, say, a GoPro or something to your car mirror. I think this actually would hold on a car mirror. That is not going to work its way loose unless you have like a heavy DSLR on the thing. But I think like a GoPro, any sort of action camera, I think this will hold quite well. I mean, with 3 legs, you could have one going the opposite direction, right? Trapping it like this. Or if you're into strange activities in bed, I suppose you could figure something out with this. But for me, I think it's going to work to serve its purpose. It feels really like a quality product. Just fiddling around with these legs is kind of amusing. As to why you'd want to braid them, I'm not sure, but you can, you know, still hold its pose. So, very cool. Alright, well, quick random review. I approve of this product. I don't see any way it would break down in the immediate future. Oxygen does destroy rubber, so maybe 3-5 years from now, if this is natural rubber, it's going to fall apart. But I have a feeling it's probably not natural rubber. I can only hope it's some sort of stabilized rubber that will fight off oxygen degradation as well as UV rays. Just based again on the other Ulanzi products I have a suspicion this brand wants to stick around. So hopefully they designed it well. Whether or not this also falls out of this plastic thing, I can't tug it. It might be epoxied in there or something, or maybe there's a metal clamp clamping the top end of that and that's epoxied in the plastic, but without destroying it, I don't know. Well, I guess we might as well just throw this on. Same company. I think with this particular combo, you can definitely get some, you can just use your mobile phone, take it outdoors and do whatever you want with it. So naturally with this ball swivel thing, you get a lot of different angles if you can't get them with the original mounting. And then this thing is being metal with some rubber grip pads and being angled inwards in this really easy to use screw down. It's going to be pretty hard for your phone to fall out of that. If you're really concerned, take the rubber pieces out, and if you have a phone case, there's no way it would fall out. So, okay, so that's a great Ulanzi setup there. Again, I have no affiliation to Ulanzi or AliExpress, but I really like the products. They're not expensive. They're not cheap, but they're not super expensive, and I just have a feeling of quality from this brand. So, okay, well, thanks for watching. See you in the next random gadget review.